मैं बता चुका हूँ कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन विल टेक प्लेस. ये PCB इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं करेगी in terms of the staff. We're not going to investigate ourselves. So this is a situation that I need to speak to the chairman, and the chairman will speak to the board of governors, and then we'll decide in terms of how we investigate this to get to the bottom of where were the issues, where were the problems, where the responsibilities lie. Because, as I've said before, integrity, accountability is very, very important. Things haven't worked out the way they should have worked out. इसका नुकसान सबका. तो इसके ऊपर फिर हमें देखना पड़ेगा और इंशाल्लाह through that investigation we'll have the findings and then we'll look at how we implement those once we get those. Action देखे वो investigation तो पहले करने दो, उसके recommendations भी आएंगे, उसके ऊपर फिर that's a decision for the chairman and the board of governors to look at.
खान साहब जो कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन है अभी 8 केसेस 7 केसेस आए तो
क्या हम विंडोज़ हम अभी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. But at the moment, it depends when those windows are for us to play it. देखिए bilateral cricket ये भूलना नहीं है कि we have delivered bilateral cricket against Zimbabwe. We've delivered bilateral Test cricket against South Africa and T20 cricket very successfully. What we're talking about is bilateral cricket moving forward with some of these countries. So we fully expect that there'll be a number of learnings. There'll be a number of hard decisions we have to make. We have to take a good look at ourselves and say that the things that we could have done better could have been done better, and collectively there's a lot of things that we could have done better. And I think that this isn't about shifting the blame. This is about looking at it with an open lens rather than a microscope, looking at it with a wider lens and say, where did all the failings happen and why did they happen? That's the bottom line we need to get to, and then we have to put things in place to provide confidence and assurance as we've done with our security provisions. We're going to now have to do that with our COVID provisions. Trust ka issue zarur hoga, and I think we need to accept that the fans in particular have supported Pakistan cricket through tough times. You've supported cricket through tough times, and as our players have at a national level and domestic level. So building trust again is going to take some time and take some effort, but we're determined to learn from the mistakes that were made. Hopefully everybody will learn from the mistakes that were made from this to make sure that this kind of thing doesn't happen again.
वसीम साहब, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि PSL 5 में तो चले लीग मैचेस हो चुके थे, 4 प्लेऑफ रह गए थे, वो हमने कर लिए, लेकिन अभी there are huge backlog of matches remaining. Do you think you will be able to find a window somewhere, because this is considering being a very busy year for Pakistan cricket and world cricket?
जी,
तो आप किस तरह मैनेज करेंगे?
देखिए विंडोज़ जो बनाने तो आप बना सकते हैं, तो ऐसे कोई इशू नहीं है. We have got a lot of cricket happening. Player welfare की भी सोचना पड़ेगा, because our players, international players in particular, are working hard for their nation and representing their country. But there are windows that we will explore with the franchise, that with a postponed event you do everything you can to get it back on. But trust would need to be built. There needs to be better partnership working to ensure that everybody is doing their bit and taking their responsibility to police an environment. We got to remember there's a lot of emotions at the moment. The franchises have invested a lot of money. Everybody's invested time in making the HBL PSL work. So there's always going to be a lot of emotion, particularly in the first 24 hours with anything. So we fully expect that. मैं ये कहूँगा कि जब मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूँ that any environment can only work if everybody's on the same page. And why did our domestic cricket work? Because it was being policed and everything was being done. We had 30 odd matches across 2 venues. We delivered South Africa. Yes, it was bilateral cricket, but we delivered tournaments with multiple teams involved domestically, and we were able to do that. So ठीक है, the response आ रहा है from the franchises, but this isn't about blaming anybody. This is ultimately about Pakistan cricket. नुकसान तो सबको हुआ from the result from today. To you, to us, to the franchises, how we're now viewed globally. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done to get Pakistan cricket back up and running, get it to where it has, and let's not forget all the work that's been put in over the last year to get Pakistan right up there in terms of world cricket.
माजिद साहब देखें, जैसे वसीम साहब ने भी कहा कि ये लॉस फाइनेंशियल तो हम बाद में कैलकुलेट करने जाएंगे। ये लॉस तो इस वक्त हम सबका है, फैंस का है, पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड का है, आप सब लोगों का है, फ्रेंचाइजेस का है, स्पॉन्सर्स का है। सो जो फाइनेंशियल चीज़ें हैं वो तो व्हेन वी विल गो बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड, विल लुक एट द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, विल लुक एट द क्लॉजेस, देन विल गो इनटू अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हम फाइनेंशियली कहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। सो इस वक्त तो हम वी जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डू एज वसीम साहब सेड, आवर फर्स्ट ड्यूटी राइट नाउ इज़ कि हम अपने प्लेयर्स की, हमारे जो इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स हैं, हम उनकी सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी और उनकी हेल्थ को मद्देनज़र रखें, और पहला हमारा स्टेप वो होगा इस वक्त।
So what's taking place right now? What's taking place right now is that we are carefully and slowly exiting players from our environment so that we can safely get them out and they can start to travel to wherever they need to travel. In terms of moving forward, clearly, we want to continue and finish the HBL PSL 6 as we did with HBL PSL 5, where we found a window and we finished those matches. It's firmly our belief that we will continue to aim to do that and find a window at a later date. We had to deal with a minor breach at the beginning, and we've done everything we possibly could. But with any SOPs for a biosecure bubble, it takes partnerships, it takes discipline, it takes self-policing. And I think that these are really important factors for us, for all to remember. This isn't about a blame game about who's to blame. This is a collective effort that we all had a responsibility to actually police and self-police that environment. Unfortunately, we weren't able to do it effectively enough. Hence, we find ourselves. I'm happy to hand over to Sami and take any questions.
जहां पहले हम ये एडवांटेज ले रहे थे कि पूरी दुनिया में कोविड के बायस जो है वो खेलों की सरगर्मियां नहीं हो रही, पहले कुछ अर्सा तक हम एडवांटेज ले रहे थे कि पूरी दुनिया में खेलों की सरगर्मियां नहीं हो रही। ऐसे में पीसीबी ने PSL 6 का इनेकाद किया। उसके बाद जाहिर बात बहुत मुश्किल डिसीजन था। ये जो तमाम मामलात हुए, आप अब क्या समझते कि इंटरनेशनल जाहिर बात सारा मीडिया भी इसको देख रहा है, तो ये जो हुआ कुछ होमवर्क में कोई कमी रह गई या सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे डेवलप हुए कि इससे ब्रीचेज हुई हैं? इसमें थोड़ा सा बताइए।
देखिए, सिचुएशन ऐसी थी कि इट्स आउटसाइड आवर्स एंड अदर्स रीजनेबल कंट्रोल, एंड आई थिंक दैट when players start to lose confidence, because biosecure is about trust. There has to be trust for players, there has to be trust working together to make that work and self-police it. So, देखिए, we've got
ये पॉसिबिलिटी होती है हमेशा कि ये हमेशा पॉसिबिलिटी होती है, जैसे आपने बात की कि बायोसिक्योर बबल में कुछ टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आ गए। हम मैक्सिमम इसको कोशिश करें कि एयरबॉर्न भी है साथ ये। सो आपने जितना मैक्सिमम कांटेक्ट आप कम कर सकते थे आपने किया है, जितना मैक्सिमाइज आप कर सकते थे, यू डिड एन एक्सीलेंट जॉब कि आपने बायोसिक्योर बबल क्रिएट किया हुआ था। सो दिस इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी, दिस इज ऑलवेज अ पॉसिबिलिटी। और बिग स्पोर्ट्स में ये हुआ है पहले भी, जितनी भी दुनिया की स्पोर्ट्स हैं उसमें भी ये पॉसिबिलिटीज पहले भी एक्सप्लोर हुई हैं।